Indecisiveness leads to stress, wasted time, and missed opportunities. Quick decision-making is a skill that improves with practice. The first step is setting a time limit. For small choices, take no more than 30 seconds. For bigger decisions, set a deadline of a few hours or a day. This prevents overthinking and forces action. Next, apply the 80-20 rule. Focus on the 20% of information that has the most impact. People often get lost in minor details, delaying choices. Identify the key factors that truly matter and move forward with confidence. Trusting your intuition is another powerful technique. Your brain processes vast amounts of information subconsciously, often leading to the right decision faster than logic alone. If you feel confident about a choice without overanalyzing, go with it. However, if something feels wrong despite logical reasoning, reconsider. To make decisions even faster, reduce decision fatigue. Successful people simplify their daily choices. Steve Jobs famously wore the same outfit daily to avoid wasting mental energy. Plan meals, outfits, or routines in advance to free up mental space for bigger decisions. If you're stuck between two options, use the reverse regret technique. Ask yourself, a year from now, which choice would I regret not making? This shifts your mindset from fear of failure to long-term growth. Finally, accept that no decision is perfect. Instead of aiming for 100% certainty, focus on making the best choice with available information. The faster you decide, the quicker you learn and improve.